At the supermarket. A basket. In American English, this is a cart. In British English, it is a trolley. An aisle. A shop assistant. A checkout. A cashier. A bag. A receipt. Quantities. A can of soda. A can of tuna. A loaf of bread. A jar of jam. A bag of chips or a bag of crisps. A bottle of ketchup. A carton of juice. A bunch of grapes. A head of lettuce. A bar of chocolate. A box of cereal. Sections. The fruit section. The vegetable section. The dairy section. The meat section. The seafood section. Asking for help. Where can I find? Do you have? Could you tell me? I'm looking for. At the checkout. Would you like a paper or plastic bag?
No thanks, I have my own bag.
How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with my credit card.
Okay, here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. If you're on social media, don't forget to follow us. We are on many different platforms. Also, if you're interested in free classes, don't forget to tell your friends about us.